Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday. It's a beautiful day. It's like 75 degrees. Well, probably 73. What a gorgeous day. I worked in the yard for like 4 hours this morning. I was exhausted. Weed eating and clearing more debris, kind of stuff everywhere so I could mow in the very back. I was really tired, but it was so nice out, I had to go for a ride. I still got a lot of work to do back there. Just fill up the cart full of wood, and I'm all out of used oil to start a burn. I took 2 quarts back there, and they were new oil, and I think, oh crap, I dumped a little bit out. I think I bought that 2 quarts oil for my little lawnmower that my son has. He's had for a year. I need to get it back. So nice out. I just had to go for a ride. Not really going anywhere. Just I got my it's 73, so I got a mesh jacket on. It's about perfect. I have a Bad Boy ZT Elite, and I was always going to put a camera on my chest and mow because there's so many, and I change the oil and I do all kinds of stuff to it and put LED lights on the front. And there's a lot of people that do the mower YouTube videos that are, you know, I watched them when I was looking what kind of mower to buy, and I was sold on the Bad Boys. They're made in Arkansas, and they're just so well made, man. You can stand on the deck and use it as a step. The deck is so solid. If you stand on if you shimmy and shake a John Deere, man, that thing's rattling like crazy. It's just falling off. And some of the other ones, you just shake the deck. Just stand on the deck and shake it with your foot. If it moves like crazy, don't buy it. So look at the Bad Boys. They're solid. They are solid. So that's why I got it. I sold one. I was at Tractor Supply getting some oil filters for the Bad Boy, and some people were looking at the Bad Boys and deciding on what other one to get, and I said, no, just get the Bad Boy. I said, I have the same mower. I said, your thing will outlive you. But I change the oil every 40 hours, and I clean the air filter after every mow. 1565. Which way is Quinlan? I think it's this way. I think there's a 4-way stop, right? Yeah. So it took me, I mowed the whole yard today, and even way in the back, since I got a lot of it cleared out, so I was mowing some of that. It takes a long time to mow 2 acres, but I don't mow all 2 acres because there's still so many low spots out there that when they dig the pool, I'm going to spread that dirt in the low spots so it won't collect so much mud. It won't collect so much water. So my neighbor said, what are you going to do with the dirt? I said, I'm going to use it. I go, oh, he wanted it. But I got a lot of low spots out there that just sit full of water, so I'll fill those in with that dirt. I'm going to probably just buy a wheelbarrow and do it little by little instead of renting a skid steer. Go buy a wheelbarrow. I need one anyway.